have always been real. Now after all this time, tell me, can't you feel?
Hey, hello car friends and welcome. Hello car friends. Good morning car friends. Good morning. Hello car friends.
Tell me, can't you feel? Tell me, can't you feel? Tell me, can't you feel? Tell me, can't you? Tell me, can't you? Tell me, can't you feel?
This is a good day. Welcome to the Audi R8 Spider. Those of you that have been following me for a while, you'll know that I really do like my supercars. I mean, who doesn't? Now, it is no secret that I am a massive fan of electric cars, of the future of driving. I've actually got a little app on my phone which allows me to bring the car to me.
What's happening? We're moving, there's no one driving.
I like talking about the future of cars because these crazy things come about. We're essentially going to surprise my dad with the drive of his life. Want to get in it? First time in a Ferrari?
Yeah, nice one, hey, really.
Really arty shot. Okay, let's do this. Wheels turn at an angle. Look at that. That's why I should be a car vlogger. Nailed it. It's faster, quicker, lighter, harder, meaner, sexier. This is Christmas. I thought I would give you an idea of what it's actually like to live and own a Ferrari. So this is the brand new 5 Series and I'm going to be living in it for 24 hours. A heated seat for a bed. Alexa, what's in my diary for today?
It looks like I no longer have access to one of your calendar accounts.
We had one job. Thank you guys for watching again. Click subscribe if you haven't done it already, and I will see you next time. All good? Oh. All good?
Hey, banging.